So if you have ever thought about a payroll provider, let me tell you about Gusto Payroll and my 5 top reasons why I absolutely love them as my payroll provider. So listen, I've worked with a lot of payroll processing systems and companies, and some of them are really clunky and some of them are really smooth and really sexy. And let me tell you, Gusto is that sexy payroll provider that you would want to use. Let me tell you the 5 top reasons why I think about them as being the leader in the industry and the most easy program to use by far. Reason number 1, the pricing is so transparent. Okay, how many times have you even tried to reach out to a payroll provider to get a quote and they're going to tell you like, well, it depends, how many employees, how often are you running it? Bullshit. Give me the flat rate for everything. No bullshit around it. Gusto Payroll is $39 a month plus $6 per employee for their core plan. And literally for 90% of my clients that I work with, that is all you need. And what it will give you is everything that you want. It's going to be ease of onboarding. It's going to be direct deposit, automatic payroll filings for your company. It's going to be contractor payments, you name it. It's going to be everything included. The next level up costs you $6 more per employee, but that's going to get you time tracking, some additional time off features. But for the majority of clients that are out there, the core package is exactly what you want. $39 a month plus $6 per employee. Very transparent. Reason number 2 why I love Gusto Payroll. The onboarding of the new employees is very smooth, very sexy. Okay, so all I really need to bring on a new employee is their name, their email address, their pay rate, and the work location. And so if you have those 4 pieces of information, I can pop that into the program. It's going to email the potential employee and it's going to say, listen, you finish your onboarding, you give me all your direct deposit information, you give me all your tax withholding information. Me as the employer, I don't have to capture or collect any of that information. It's all done automatically, seamless, no paper, very easy. You get a notification when that employee has completed that onboarding. You take a quick review to make sure it's not blatantly wrong, and voila, that person can be paid immediately. No time, no waiting. It's all at your fingertips, super easy. Reason number 3 why Gusto Payroll is amazing. The employee has their own dashboard to do all of those things that you as the employer typically would have to manage for them. So if that employee wants to change the account that they have their money being direct deposited into, they go on the website, they change it. It's hands off for the employer. If they want to change their withholdings on their taxes, direct them to the website. They can go on and change it. They can also look at all of their historical pay stubs, get their electronic W-2s, get notified whenever they get paid so they can log in to see their pay stubs. Huge advantage for the employee and the employer to not have to manage and get that information to the employee. So reason number 3 why Gusto is great, the employee dashboard and the ability for that employee to manage their own stuff makes it super easy. Okay, reason number 4. Now this is a personal thing. I work with a lot of clients and I do everything through Gusto, and then I also run everything through QuickBooks Online. Gusto syncs perfectly with QuickBooks Online. Setting up the direct integration is super easy. It probably takes all of 5 minutes to get that integration set up, and then from there Gusto is going to sync down a journal entry, which is the correct way to record your payroll. Don't get me wrong, everybody records it wrong by posting the taxes and the wages based on what is withdrawn out of your account. That is not right. You really want the journal entry to do the work for you, and that's going to sync down automatically from Gusto Payroll into QuickBooks Online, and then it's automatically going to match together with your banking transaction. So when that transaction, that pull comes through your bank account, the journal entry that's posted in there is automatically going to match to it. So it's really hands off from the actual data entry side from the accountant's point of view. And this is also a benefit for the employer. If they're doing their own accounting, it's one less thing that you have to worry about. The payroll is automatically posted into your accounting system. Very easy, very smooth. Now, reason number 5 why Gusto Payroll is fantastic is their customer support. Okay, I've been working with them for a little over 5 years, and I will honestly tell you, when you call customer support, I feel like the person that is answering the phone is actually smiling on the other end, and they are there and happy to help you. I cannot say that about a lot of different customer support services that you call in, but when you call Gusto, they are enthusiastic, they are there to help you, and they are happy to be of assistance for you. And every time I get a little survey at the end of my call, and I'm giving them 5 stars every single time. They are fantastic, and they will follow through and do whatever they can to help you resolve your situation. They've also got a nice little portal. If you get a tax notice from the IRS or from New York State, say, you can just upload that document, and then they're going to do the research for you. Then when they have time, they're going to flip it back to you and say, listen, this is how either you or we need to resolve this issue going forward. Very seamless, very hands-off customer service. Reason number 5 why Gusto Payroll is fantastic. So Universal Bookkeeper is a gold partner with Gusto Payroll, and what that means is we have more than 50 clients that we manage on a regular basis. And by manage, I mean we at Universal Bookkeeper teach our clients how to use payroll because it is so easy. I am not going to be running your payroll for you because at the end of the day, if you can log in to the Gusto website, enter the number of hours for each employee, and then press pay, you can run payroll. The system is going to direct deposit everything into your employee's account. It's going to automatically withdraw those taxes and make those tax payments on your behalf every single payroll. They're also going to file your tax returns every quarter and then file your W-2s electronically every year. It's very hands-off, very seamless. We don't even do payroll for any client anymore because it's not even fair for us to charge for our services because it is so easy. So if you're interested in learning about Gusto Payroll, please give our offices a call. Happy to walk you through it, but this is my #1 payroll provider that I am using day in and day out. Check it out, gusto.com. If you have any questions, give me a holler.